In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect make.com to WordPress. By the end, you'll have a clean connection set up so you can automate WordPress actions right from Make, starting with posts. First, head to make.com and sign into your dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, open Connections to familiarize yourself with where your integrations live. Then open the Scenario Builder. This is where you design your automation and attach the connection you're about to create. Inside the Scenario Builder, click the plus icon in the canvas to add your first module. Search for and select WordPress. When the list of available WordPress modules appears, choose Posts. That's a great starting point because it lets you create, update, or retrieve posts once your connection is established. Make will prompt you to create a connection. Click Create a Connection. Give it a clear, memorable name, something that tells you which site and purpose it's for. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple sites or environments like staging and production. Next, enter your WordPress REST API-based URL. In most cases, this is your site URL followed by wp-json. For example, if your site is at yoursite.com, the base usually looks like https:/yoursite.com wp-json. If WordPress is installed in a subfolder or you're using a subdomain, reflect that in the URL. Don't paste a specific endpoint, use only the base REST path so Make can discover the right endpoints automatically. Now add your API key or credentials. The exact format depends on how your WordPress site is secured. Many sites use application passwords generated from a user profile, while others rely on tokens provided by a security plugin or hosting platform. Use a credential with the correct permissions to manage posts. Keep this information secure and avoid sharing it in screenshots or recordings. You'll also see a field related to self-signed certificates. If your site uses a standard SSL certificate from a trusted provider, you can leave this blank. If you're connecting to a staging server or an environment that uses a self-signed certificate, provide the certificate or enable the appropriate options so Make can trust the connection. When everything looks good, click Save. Make will validate the details, and if successful, your WordPress connection will appear in the module. From there, you can proceed to configure your posts operation, map fields like title and content, and build out the rest of your scenario. If validation fails, double-check the base URL, confirm that your credentials have the right permissions, and ensure your site's REST API is accessible. That's it. You're connected and ready to automate.